Today, we will be doing a TubeMatic review and demo walkthrough. TubeMatic is the best YouTube ads marketing tool for affiliate marketers or advertisers who are always looking for ways to increase their return on investment. This can be hard to do if you don't know how to effectively target your audience. TubeMatic is a new tool that allows advertisers and marketing professionals to quickly find relevant ads on YouTube related to the products they want to promote. It can find banners, as well as ad copy and landing pages. It can also find the videos you can actually advertise on without you having to create your own videos. Use TubeMatic to get in front of your targeted potential buyers easily without doing any of the guesswork. Before we get started with the review, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the TubeMatic review and demo walkthrough.
Hi and welcome to TubeMatic. Now, TubeMatic is a software that uncovers winning ads on YouTube. First of all, you'll be able to search for YouTube ads. This is huge because you can actually put in some kind of keyword, maybe something that you're promoting, and you'll be able to see who's promoting that on TubeMatic. So for example, let's say we are trying to find an offer that is promoting diabetes. Okay, so if I put diabetes in my keywords and click on find, this is going to go out and it's going to find the ads that are working right now. What's beautiful about this is that we're getting a lot of information about these videos and the publish date when it was first published. Okay, and then you can get more details on these videos by clicking on the details part, where you can see the trend, what's going on here with the views. It's going up. Fixed blood sugar. You can see find more ads from this channel. So this will bring out any other ads that this channel might be running right now. Again, huge information to see what else this channel is actually promoting. So from all these options that you're getting, you can see a display name, the landing pages that they're sending you to, and the video description. And you can also see tags, keywords, if the offer has. You can see that this is a diabetes solution, something that he's selling, and you can just basically replicate and do the same. So this is one part of the whole process, okay? Now you can export the information about the ads and everything that's in this detail by exporting it into an Excel. And then in this Excel sheet, you have all the information about what you just got from here. The links, the instructions, the channel URL, the video, everything that you need in terms of getting the information that you want. What's great is that you can choose your favorite ones, and then you can also, maybe add these to a specific list that you want to create for your diabetes folder, and you can create your little ads. The second part is YouTube channels. YouTube channels is basically all the channels that are on YouTube right now that are running ads. We're giving you a database of all the ads. Like this channel right here is running specific ads, okay? And you can find what these are from our specific option right there where I just clicked on. So this is gonna give you the ads that channel is running, and you can get more out of this, which is great. Another great feature that we've added is the ad placement. Now, ad placement is basically you going out, finding something that, okay, let's see, diabetes. We'll go in with the thing. Now, I want to find all the channels that have diabetes in their videos. Okay, so all these channels that you're seeing right here are giving me that information. Now, this is great, and I'll tell you why. You can actually get this information when you're about to go create your ads on YouTube. However, what we've done is, because on Google ads or YouTube ads, when you're creating your ads, you need to manually select each and every single one when you're searching. Okay, but there is an option where you can copy and paste the links if you have them and put them in the box, so you can just easily minimize the time required to manually do it. So you can actually export the ones that you choose into an Excel sheet where it gives you the links of the YouTube channels where you can throw into your ads instantly, easily. And these are all the channels that contain diabetes inside. So you'll be in front of your buyers when you're doing ads on YouTube, which we will explain later on. Same thing can be done with videos. Now, if I want to be in front of people that are watching a specific diabetes video, and I come with my offer with another diabetes offer, then what do you think is going to happen? You're going to get eyes away from what they were watching over to your content, which is great. Okay, so you can get the same information for videos and not just channels. And again, you can export and put them into your ads, as we're going to be teaching you inside the training area. We do have an option, which is an upsell, which has to do with Google Ads, where you're going to be able to search the same type of method, but this time you're searching for Google search ads, which is great. And this is part of the upsell where you're going to learn and have this tool so you can go out and create ads on Google that are running right now. And these are based on search ads on Google. You can save these ads on your ads list, etc. Okay, so and you can have all these details as well with the saved channels that you might find that contain ads, and the saved YouTube ads that we have. We have another upsell called the custom searches. And what does this do? Well, you're going to come here and you're going to create a custom search. So for this, we'll do diabetes again. And diabetes, and you put in the keywords that you want to focus on, and this is going to go out and actually find ads 24/7. When there's something new, you're going to be able to find these ads in this section right here. So every time there's a new ad on a specific keyword, it's just going to push it over here. So you don't really even need to do all the searching and stuff later on. You just leave it on autopilot, come in tomorrow, check out your results, and then move on to your ad campaigns. So this is basically what TubeMatic does, and this is what you're going to be using for your campaigns. A game-changing software that's going to help you actually generate results with affiliate marketing or even e-com or basically anything. You can go out and see what your competition is doing, replicate, and follow suit. Other than that, thank you for being here. And on the next videos, I'm going to show you how we're going to be setting up campaigns, how we're going to be finding offers, how we're going to be building around these offers, how we're going to be creating ads on YouTube so you can start generating leads and affiliate commissions through the same exact systems and blueprints that we've been using for our business and doing things online. Thank you, and I'll talk to you in the next video.
Thank you for watching this TubeMatic review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about TubeMatic, click the link in the description below.